AT Auto Conveyor is expanding, and we're excited to introduce a new lineup of trusted industrial brands that strengthen every part of your operation. We now carry Wesco, reliable pallet jacks, drum handlers carts, and lift tables built for warehouse and material handling work. Boston Tech joins our ergonomic lineup with adjustable benches and workstations that boost comfort and productivity. Lind Equipment adds durable industrial lighting and power distribution designed for tough environments. Bluff Manufacturing brings high-quality material handling solutions and custom fabrication for assembly and machine shops. Stackman expands our storage and workstation offerings with heavy-duty benches, cabinets, and metal bins. MechMax adds dependable lifts, tilters, and ergonomic handling tools for safer, more efficient workflows. Pucell Manufacturing provides long-lasting steel shelving, carts, cabinets, and workspace equipment. Dorner now strengthens our conveyor lineup with precise, reliable conveyor systems for automation and production lines. Metalloid supplies industrial lubricants and metalworking fluids trusted across machining and manufacturing. Vever offers cost-effective tools and material handling equipment with wide availability and strong value. Industrial Magnetics brings magnetic lifting, holding, and separating solutions that improve safety and flow. Sunex adds vibration dampening mounts and leveling feet for stable, precision-driven equipment support. And HVH Industries expands our mechanical and power transmission category with bearings, gearboxes, motors, and drive components. These new partnerships give you more options, better performance, and a deeper catalog for every stage of your workflow. AT Auto Conveyor, bringing you the brands that keep industry moving.